Hey everyone, this is Paul from the Proteus Academy, and this is the first video in our new series, 2-Minute Tuesdays, where we provide you with tips on how to improve in debate in 2 minutes or less. This week, I'm going to be talking about an often forgotten area that students can dedicate relatively little time towards while still seeing significant increases in their effectiveness in the event that is parliamentary debate. And this week, we are talking about handwriting. As you know, if you compete in parliamentary debate, a significant portion of the event is your ability to prepare in the limited preparation time and your ability to effectively communicate with your teammate. But what a lot of people don't consider is just how important their handwriting, and more specifically, the clarity and efficiency of their handwriting, can hold for them in terms of being the absolute most effective debater possible. I can't tell you the number of debates I've seen where students struggle to read their own handwriting, let alone the handwriting of their fellow teammates. And more importantly, where students are in prep time writing out entire sentences and not omitting words that don't matter, or not omitting vowels, or not having a shorthand that enables them to get more prep done. At the highest level on the national circuit, oftentimes competitors on the negative side of a topic are preparing topicality arguments, other theoretical objections, disads, counterplans, critiques, and all of those things need to be ready because you never know what the AF is going to do. And as such, if you are the first speaker on the negative, if you are the LOC, and if you are the MO, you need to be able to prep the B strat for your partner. With that said, this is a relatively simple fix. All you have to do is dedicate time to coming up with a system, a shorthand, and developing clarity in your handwriting, slowing down and really focusing, and more importantly, making sure your partner can read your handwriting and you can read their handwriting, because you are a partnership and this is an absolutely critical part to stepping up your game.